Hi, today I'm from the Galaxy F14 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So just to customize always on display feature, we should first open the Muviz application and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Click to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds, tap on the left down corner to backgrounds and just swipe to the up or to the down to change the available backgrounds. Just then click to apply on the right down corner, tap to music controls. To hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, slide to the left or right side this white dot on this panel. To turn on or turn off notifications and the date on the LED screen, you should just click on the switchers. If you want to change the battery status from always to while charging or just never, just select one from these available modes. Click to this X icon, switch LED to the settings, tap to always on display. To show it on lock screen always while they were charging or on music, you should use the settings. Just if you want to change the brightness level to decrease it, to increase it, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. If you want to change screen time out from 5 minutes just to never, you should do it here. We also can change here the screen orientation from the auto or portrait landscape or reverse landscape. To close it with a double or single tap. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you can use it on fingerprint on screen off. To set the shadow, to activate or turn off the pocket mode, and to disable the LED option during the calls. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.